If you're still answering frequently asked question of your customer manually, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your cell phone repair business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp related to cell phone repair. Replying each question individually and efficiently would be a time consuming and hectic task. That's where our new feature AI Assistant make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process on how to build a WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI agent specially designed for an cell phone repair business. This chatbot can handle common customer query, guide new user through the onboarding process, assist with explaining various features and even troubleshoot basic issue automatically. So yes, let's dive in and build your smart support on WhatsApp. As you can see, I have already created this WhatsApp chatbot using AI assistant. First, I'm going to show you how it works in real time. For that, I'm going to open WhatsApp web, and over here I'm going to type a message which says I need help. As soon as I have entered my message, I got a response in which they ask me, I am here to help. What specific assistant do you need? Let me know. How can I assist you? With that, I'm going to enter my query where I ask my AI chatbot, is walking repair available or is appointment mandatory? As soon as I have entered my question, they have responded me with an answer which says walk-in repair are welcome. However, booking an appointment in advance can help us serve you faster and ensure part availability. If you like to schedule an appointment or have any other query, just let me know. With that, I am going to enter another question which says, do you sell accessories and refurbished device? And for that, they have answered me, yes, we sell mobile accessories like charger and screen guard, and we also offer certified refurbished phone. You need to inform on specific product or pricing, feel free to ask. With that, I'm going to ask one last question, which is what payment method do you accept? And for that, they have responded me, we accept various payment method including UPI, card, net banking, wallet and cash at service center. If you have a specific payment method in mind or need more details, just let me know. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me and answering all my query efficiently and without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting, and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building AI Assistant. For that, I need to click on AI Assistant and you will be redirected to this page. Here you can train your AI Assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions, solve problems, and engage effortlessly with your customer. Create a new AI Assistant, you need to click on Add New AI Assistant. As we are making this AI Assistant for cell phone repair business, I will name it accordingly and I'm going to click on Add AI Assistant. As you can see, my AI Assistant is added successfully. After that, I'm going to select my AI instruction. As you can see, there are several types of AI instruction available such as AI agent, customer support, sales agent. You can choose any one of them based on your specific need. I'm going to select AI agent as my type. Once I have selected my instruction type, I have received a few guidelines that explain how the AI is trained and how it's going to work. This instruction include how the AI will respond to the user by solving issue, replying efficiently, and listening attentively to their customer need. Now we need to set AI configuration. One of the key setting here is temperature. A temperature of 0 means focus and 1 means creative. I'm going to set my temperature as 0.3 to keep the response focused but slightly adaptable. Next, we need to select AI model or platform that we are going to use to generate the response. I'm going to select that. Here I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o Mini, which is a cost-effective option over here. Then I'm going to enter my API token. To get API token, simply visit to OpenAI API key page and generate your API key, which you need to enter over here. As I already have my API key, I will enter that and click on connect. As you can see, I got a response that OpenAI key saved successfully. That means there is no error. Below that, we have AI assistant setting where you can customize message such as header message, a footer message, and fallback message. In this case, I am going to set a fallback message which will be triggered whenever the AI assistant do not receive or understand a correct response from the user. Where I have entered that, sorry, I do not quite understand that I can help you with repair, booking, service, estimate, device tracking, and common issue like screen damage, battery problem, or water expose. Try asking something like, how much does a screen repair cost, or can I book a repair? If you are still unsure, feel free to reach out to our support team at support@yourrepairshop.com. We are here to help. Now that we have completed AI instruction setup, let's move to the knowledge source section. Here we need to upload knowledge source in text format. This file will serve as a reference for the AI assistant and it will use this information to generate accurate and relevant response. I'm going to drag and drop over here. And as you can see, my file is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to move to Assistant Interface. Here you need to enter header display name which will appear on the top of your chatbot window. I have entered as cell phone repair as you can see. Then we need to add subheading. For example, we are online and happy to assist you. Below that, enter the initial message which will be automatically sent when your customer triggers the chatbot. You also have the option to choose whether or not you want to display the label in the chatbot window. Next, you need to provide your company footer text and footer link. The final step in this section is to set a trigger message, that is the phrase a customer send as an initial message like I need help. Now let's move to styling. Here you can customize the look and feel of the assistant by changing the theme mode, assistant shape, background color. You can also have the option to add profile picture and background image to personalize the chat interface. I'm going to keep it as it is. Once I'm done setting my AI chatbot, I'm going to activate my AI assistant and save my AI assistant. As you can see, I got a message that AI assistant saved successfully. That means it is ready to run in real time. For that, again, I need to open WhatsApp web and I'm going to clean our previous chat. Here again, I need to enter my message. I need help. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response which says, of course, I am here to help you. What do you need assistance with? Here I'm going to ask a question. And as you can see, they have responded me with an answer which says, yes, we recommend backing up your data if possible before a repair. While we take great care during the repair process, there is always a risk of data loss that cannot be fully eliminated. If you have any other question or need further assistance, feel free to ask. So yes, as you can see, my chatbot is working successfully. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.